Guys, if we're still in 2020, then why are we already on 2021's case C? I don't know. But yeah, you guys already know what today's video is about. Of course, today we're taking a look at all the case contents of 2021 Cars Case C. Now, this case is a big win, and I gotta say, of course, there's a lot of new variants here, a lot of new packaging variants, of course, and yeah. So, I got this case from my normal supplier, Get Me Collectibles. He is the best, buyer out there. You guys can go check him out. He's got nearly 19,000 feedback on eBay. But yeah, today we'll be taking a closer look at Case C. As you can see, some pretty cool darn cars there. But yeah, I've already opened it up just to save a little bit of time, of course. But yeah, now we're going to start off with the top row. And yeah, thanks to my mum for letting me do this video early, because I'm not allowed these until Christmas Day, of course. So that's why you won't see any of these videos until after Christmas Day. But yep, until then, let's just start off with the case. So this is the first row we're now on. And the first one is nothing too, major. A new one to the case is that we got two Dynaco Christmas. I'll be keeping one of these just because of the packaging variant. Of course, we've already got her as a Thailand release before. Yep, pretty cool. We can see some other cars on the back, some new releases, maybe in this case. Yep, again, just to let you know, these are all made in Thailand, every single last one of them. But she is not a highlight, so we're just going to gloss over her. One that will still sell off the pegs, of course. Again, new to this case, a little bit of bend to the card there, unfortunately. But is Fabulous Lightning McQueen. There's only one per case. Well, pun for the case C, though, I should say. Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Again, no difference. Of course, I believe he was in the last case. I'm not too sure. But yeah, nothing too vibrant or new about him. He's just in the Horizon Desert packaging. Of course, 2021. On to the fourth car now. This would still fly off the shelves, even though he could start containing being a peg warmer. And that is Cars 1 Down Leadfoot. I will be doing a review on this on Christmas Day or maybe a few days after, because I have loads of other videos to get out of the way and done with. Yep, of course, pretty cool. We can see some other cars on the back here. Down Leadfoot. Not really that much of a highlight, of course. A one that it might start peg warming is Corey Turbo Ritz. Almost said Nurse Corey then, because Nurse Corey is the exact same diecast. I will be doing a review on her, because now that I will have two, of course, because she's Mattel, just to let you guys know. Not too much difference here. Not really much of a highlight, so we'll put her to the side. One that could start peg warming or not, who knows, and that is Tom W. Pretty cool. I will be doing a review on him, because I will have two. So look out for that video. Of course, there is a China release of him already. As we can see here, some other cars. Pretty cool. Not really that much of a new diecast. One that will definitely start peg warming for sure. Of course, this is now the second row. Is Musty's Lightning McQueen. Sorry about that cut, guys. But yeah, as I was saying before, this McQueen might start peg warming, just because there was two in the last case and there was two in this case. But I really do like this McQueen, because it is the Rusty's Lightning McQueen. But yeah, of course, I believe he is different. He's got that yellow trim around his line now, his wheel rims, but I'm not sure if it is different to the regular release. But he is not a highlight, of course. On the back, we can see other cars like Raoul and Lightning McQueen, obviously. But this is an error, because he's not in Cars 2, he is Cars 3, as we know. But yeah, that is that one. Now on to the next one, which he might start peg warming, but I'm pretty sure he won't. And that is the Soul Will Rush. Of course, it would still say new for 2021. Even this is over a carryover from the previous case, just because it's a new release for this year. That's why they're still going to be on there. But yeah, Will Rush, go check out my review on him. Everyone seemed to give me so much support on that video. And yep, I will be getting rid of this one just because I don't need a third one. I'll just be needing two. So, Will Rush, he might be a highlight, so I'm going to keep him over here. What is new to this case, and a brand new release, and that is on Caleb Wally, one of the 1950s Piston Cup racers, as we can see. He is number 3, reminds me a little bit of Daniel Ricciardo. of course, new for 2021, of course, new for this case as well. Caliber Wally. Is there any new cars on the back of him? Not as we can see, but JD, maybe he's in this case, maybe not. Pile Up, of course, loads of other cars. The only one that's inaccurate is Copter, because she's actually in Cars 1. Yep, I do like Calab. Of course, I will be doing a review on him, but I will not be opening up because I do not have a second one. Just to let you guys know, he is a definite highlight. On to the next car. Might start peg warming. Is Max Chanel. Again, nothing too special about him. German racer from Cars 2. As you can see, the other cars, Harumi, Lewis Hamilton, bunch of other releases. Not a highlight for sure. One that would definitely peg warm without a doubt, no matter what packaging, is Meta. I will be keeping this one just because it is in 2021 packaging, of course. But apart from that, I will not be opening up because he is literally the same release as before. I'm not sure if his eyes are different though. I might have to check it out. But yeah, I will not be doing a video on him. So, not a highlight from Meta. But what is a highlight, and this will fly off the pegs, and I'm pretty darn sure he will. JD McPillar. Now, of course, I put one aside because there is two in this case. But yet we can see JD McPillar. He is the next generation toe cap racer, and as you know, he is actually in the next gen 4-pack, which is always over there on my videos. But we can see this time he's got a different expression, metal window bars, different coloured spoiler. He's got his sick artwork for the first time. On the back, same usual 8 cars, or 7 cars as I like to say. Yep, he will definitely fly off the shelves, and I mean, I'm pretty sure he will. Rookie stripes. I'll be doing a review on him shortly after Christmas Day, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. He is definitely a highlight, so I'll leave him aside. Another highlight for this case, and a new release, or new variant for the first time in a few years, is pit crew member Fillmore. We can see he's got his gas cans here at the top. Of course, Dynaco, not sure why. Of course, he's a Musty fan, don't know why he has Dynaco on them. But yeah, we can see it is the usual Thailand variant of Fillmore, just with the, of course, gas cans now, which is pretty cool. His eyes seem to me look like Vietnam, but they're not, they're actually Thailand. The back, again, nothing different, but he is a highlight for sure, so I'll keep him over here. Another highlight for this case, we've got a load of highlights for this case. He is very light, and that is Jimbo. I won't be doing a video on him because I will not have a second one. But we get to see Jimbo's artwork for the first time, and I've got to say, it looks kind of cool. Number 13, Demolition Derby Contender. From Cars 3, of course. Again, the same cars are always going to be on the back. But this is a highlight. How many more times am I going to drop this phone? That is the 3rd time now, and this is the 3rd cut. But yeah, anyways. Another highlight, of course, guys, sorry about the cuts, I can't do nothing about that, my phone just keeps falling off my Lego stand, and it is getting old, I might need to redo it, but yeah, highlight or not a highlight, I'm not too sure, but we've got Tex Dynaco here, of course we can see his artwork, not too much special here, he's from Cars, yep, pretty cool he is in the case, but I'm not sure if he'll peg warm or not a highlight, so we'll put him on the other side, almost down to the last row now, but we've got one left. One that will sell for sure, first release since 2017, and that is Pile Up, where you can see the expression difference, made in Thailand. Looks more like Vietnam to me, but I do like Pile Up's release, and it does look pretty sick. See his artwork there, number 11, Demolition Derby Contender. The back, nothing too different, but yep, he is a highlight. Of course, on to the last row now, the very, very last row. One that will sell for sure because he hasn't had a release as a single release for a while. And that is Cars 2 Jeff Corvette, not Cars 3. Mattel missed the opportunity to release him again. But I can see why they've done the Cars 2 one. Because he's the only racer from Thailand that hasn't been released. Now we've gotten them all. And of course, he has got the Corvette logo. So we'll be doing a review on him shortly after Christmas Day. And he is a highlight for sure. So make sure you check out that review in a few days or so. I'm going to be jam-packed with reviews, and I can tell you now. Yep, Jeff Corvette. He might be one of the first ones that I do, but he's a highlight. But now on the back we can see Jeff Corvette, so they've added him on. Still don't know why they haven't removed Rusty's like Mcqueen. That's still an error. But he is a highlight for sure. Another highlight for sure, almost dropped my phone then, as you could tell, is Manny Flywheel. Of course, the Nento and Cola Piston Cup Racer. And I predicted his Thailand release. Go watch my video of predictions for 2021. I predicted his Thailand release, which I'm actually kind of happy about. But yep, he will fly off the pegs for sure, especially if there's only one in a case. Manny Flywheel Piston Cup Racer. Love that purple. Purple is one of my favourite colours. On the back, we can see Made in Thailand. We can now see Manny Flywheel on the back this time. Not sure if he was on the back of any other packages. I wasn't really paying much of attention. But yeah, Manny Flywheel. Pretty cool highlight. Definitely for sure a highlight. The next two cars in this case are highlights for sure. Disney Docket, done a review on this. And little did he know, we'll be getting a Thailand Easy Idle Tractor. Not sure why they haven't released the tank coat, the nose stall, or the other ones. Clutch aid. But what I am glad about is that they keep releasing these tractors. And this is the first one in a while. Of course, we got the next gen Easy Idle Tractor, which is based off of Harvey Wadcap. That's literally the 4th time I've had to cut this now. That time my dad came up the stairs. But yeah, of course we'll be taking, well, we won't be taking a closer look at it. We'll be doing a review. This will be the first video I'll do on Christmas Day. Maybe I'll do a video of it on Christmas Day, because I might not actually do a haul video, because you're basically seeing my Christmas haul right now. But yeah, of course he is new for 2021. I love that expression here. Pretty cool. On the back, surprisingly we didn't see his artwork, or his like diecast artwork, which is a little bit strange. But yep, he is the next gen Harvey Wadcap model, if you guys didn't know. Highlight for sure. There's a lot of highlights in this case, and a lot of new releases or Thailand releases. But what is new is finally is Hot Rod River Scott. All we need now is Hot Rod Louise Nash. Then we've got the whole 4 legends as Hot Rod paint jobs, and my mate is actually called this name. Shout outs to him, he's got a channel. Of course, a little shout out to his channel there. But yep, he is new for 2021. We can see Hot Rod River Scott's artwork here. Of course, I do not have Heyday River Scott. Well, I do, but I don't have it open. So yep, I will be doing a video on this, but of course I will not be opening it like before. But yep, pretty cool, new for 2021. There is the back, highlight. And last car on the very last row is Cathy Copter. Of course, glad that she's getting re-released, and of course that she's a single. She literally takes up the whole packaging. Very light as Francesco, I would say. But yep, there's her artwork, pretty cool. Always on the back, you can see, of Cars 3, which is incorrect. She was in Cars 1. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Of course, bring back some of the cars now, because this video is like 20 minutes long at this rate. And I don't usually tend my videos to be this long. But we've got the Easy Idle Racing Tractor here. We're going to put, Jeff Corvette in the middle, because he's a definite highlight for sure. Manny Flywheel, highlight for sure. I've already got Jeff Corvette, because there's 2 in the case. Pile Up, highlight for sure. Jimbo, highlight for sure. But yeah, loads of highlights in this case. Of course, Collab Worley, JD McPillar. Love this case. Definite buy if you need all these cars. I would certainly buy this case if you've got that little bit of money left over. But yeah, thank you to Get Collectibles. Thank you to my mum for letting me do this video early. But yeah, if you're new, please make sure you leave a like. Dislike if you dislike. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Make it turn white. Of course, hit that bell notification button down below. Till next one. Bye, guys.